This is gonna be an interesting match.
For sure. And singles, game 3. Here we go.
Good drop to start off.
I'm really looking forward to some really great, long and intense rallies from these two. They really play the angles really well. They're both tall, have a good wingspan, and can strike for sure.
Nikit can run all the court all day.
Both teams have covered them up.
That's just one of the few precursors for how the war started. In the first match, there was roughly nervous players. Second match, few more points and then we'll start seeing the
Beautiful point. There you go.
Yeah.
This is how the intensity is going to be. That they're showing that, yeah, before the start of the score.
Yeah, this game is still going up. Apologies for the background noise. Yeah, it is still at 0-0.
Good backhand by Nikit. And score still 0-0 even since the serve back. Finally, Nikit gets a win.
For a second we thought it was red, but I guess it's not.
That looked like a leg.
Definitely can't do it.
Not our call, right?
Yeah. Tough job being a referee here.
I don't think the Charters were taking kind of bad. 100%.
That's the next part.
I think he's been forced the baseline by Karun. He didn't play forward very well. I think it's only 15, 13. 15, 12 rather. I think
Yeah, it's probably what I would do.
honestly it's a very hard match. It's one of those matches which is go either way.
What do you think this game is going to look like?
I can't say anything right now, but with Karunesh, I only got 1 point. It was quite a long match, but still I just got I think 1 or 2 points. Yeah, I did. On the other side with Nikit, I played Dream Breaker point. I won more points than he did with me, but the Dream Breaker is totally different. You don't have points on serve and stuff. But yeah, it's going to be really tight. But I think Nikhil edges this. There you go. Backhand
Beautiful passing
cross.
shot by Nikit.
The ball was swinging out to the cross. Karunesh had a look, but it was too far away from his reach. A great backhand by Nikit.
We definitely do have the best seats in the venue. This is a whole good sort of passing shot by Nikit. Just hit it out.
I think he did too without the unnecessary background. Not of the fans, but of the screen and the things. Beautiful point from Nikit. A drop volley, drawing Karunesh to the net, and just outplaying him in that point.
A great reach by Karunesh as well. He tried to put it low, but failing.
A wonderful return from Karunesh, though.
Looks like Nikit is a little frustrated with that miss. Yeah,
Good return, though. Return for getting the return. Not an easy shot to return. Could have put it in the corner.
maybe he feels that it's just a regular shot and then he just upside with himself. But Nikit being too fast and too out there in the court. Great setup.
Good lead.
A great return by Karunesh. An amazing pick by Nikit.
Uncharacteristic player.
The slide definitely hassled Karunesh. He tried to be too sweet on the drop.
Unforced error from Karunesh. Getting by the Chargers.
A controversial call.
A pretty late call from umpires. First point to charge nevertheless.
Andy Chargers taking a huge lead.
I mean, the Anandija, they got the points, they got the luck, they got it all to take it. I think they're going to take a 2-1 lead. What I can say. Do you think Sam is going to sub in now? Make it back from the other side? It's very unlikely. Yeah, maybe a bit off. Pretty tall mountain to climb.
Oh. The same shot on the other side. The ball swinging out. The cross courts are on point from Nikit today.
Forehands are absolutely blazing today.
Both sides, forehands and backhand, both are just flying off.
Everything he's touching is turned into gold as far as we can see.
But if you see Karunesh on the other side, he's not given up. He still has it.
Ah, man, I
Just
think
trying to
he
straddle it.
looks a bit mentally defeated at this point.
I think he's just trying to figure out what to do and what's working with him and what's not working for Nikit on the given day. But I think he's still there in the game. For singles, I think if you're down 9 love, 10 love, I don't think it matters much. We have seen some crazy comebacks by all of us. There you go. Finally.
Win this, but we are 1-7 to the All-Stars. Yeah, like Rishabh said, you never know.
A great point and tough miss by Karunesh. But I think he's figuring it out nicely what to do with Nikit. But so far not working out.
This match doesn't look like it'll last long.
Yeah.
Harsh being Harsh.
Harsh is definitely cheering up the crowd successfully.
No, Sid, I'm really debating going to use the washroom. I'm afraid the match is going to end before that. By the time I come back.
Yeah, you never know. Side change, Sam giving him some crucial tips.
Sam is like, I give you 3 points and then I walk in. Rishabh supporting
Karunesh.
other dogs.
Karunesh and I used to play tennis back long ago.
Old friends
Yeah,
from
so-
tennis, Rishabh and Karunesh. Rishabh, can you give me some insights about Karunesh's game?
He's really, I mean, his reach is good. He just switched to pickleball, so he's really good in singles. Doubles, I don't think he has a chance. I mean, he doesn't think much and all. But singles wise, yeah, his reach is great. His strokes are amazing. He knows his game plan and he works on it. He grinds so far. And he's given Sam good wins throughout the league. Good point by Nikit.
Not a great shot to look at, but very fair.
But yeah, I think Nikit has just been a bit too. A great shot by Karunesh. Basically asked me to shut the hell up. I know what I'm doing. But Nikit has played out of his skin today, to be honest. He's been commanding me, but the game's not over. And the serve looked a little high. So what do you think? Definitely about to waste.
Definitely about to waste.
High and definitely out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right when we said it.
Thought so.
Good catch up, I think it's missed out a few of his cross-court forehands.
I mean, that's too difficult. I mean, the volley was really nice and low. He had to move in and then it was difficult on his team. Great point so far. An amazing finish by Karunesh. Good pick by Nikit though, he was there.
Yeah, and he went down the line. Then he saw the ball pop up. He just quickly pushed.
I think now he's realizing that if it is on the net, it's better for him. That's what I feel. So he's trying to pull it in, is what I think Sam said during the changeover. It's not that easy to do on the court, but I think he's clear with his plan that he has to get Nikhil in the front because he's not that comfortable in the front at the net. He's much more comfortable at the baseline running everywhere.
So Rishabh, as a captain, do you think it's much better to play doubles or singles? Because singles, you obviously have to lead the way, show the team how it's done. But with doubles, you have to pair up with another partner. Is there a difference or do you feel it's the same?
I mean, I think it's too difficult to say because the singles game has changed a lot in recent days. 8 months.
Volley from Nikhil though.
Yeah, 8 months down the line, it was quite different. People used to come in, ding, third shot, and then come in singles as well. But now it's just become too aggressive, as many of the tennis players are in, so they know how to hit every ball down line cross court. Oh,
I think pickleball as a sport has become more aggressive.
yeah.
Since its inception, of course.
Yeah, I think that's due to most of the tennis players shifting
Coming
in.
into the game,
Yes,
yeah.
shifting into pickleball because I've been playing professional tennis. I mean, I used to play professional tennis before, and I've never seen such a
Nikhil going for the jackknife backhand, but didn't work out in his favor.
good pick by Karunesh. though.
Typical jackknife backhand from tennis. Trying to translate in pickleball, but just a bit too much.
Oh, that's a
beautiful
great
shot
cross.
from Karunesh, playing the angles perfectly to his backhand. Wonderful.
Perfect shot cross by Karunesh. Nikhil didn't have a good answer.
Is looking pretty strong.
Oh, that's a great point by Karunesh. As I was talking about the reach which he has, I think that's purely because of his reach and anticipation as well. Karunesh is slowly coming back. 5-9 Karunesh serving.
Need some vital points.
That's a near miss by Karunesh. It was a beautiful setup. Good serve deep on his backhand. Then trying the short cross angle again. Misses by a few inches.
Definitely missed that receive. But score being 10-5. Right now, to on the charges.
Karunesh going for the backhand cross court. But so far, Nikhil has answers for all of the questions that Karunesh posed.
I think he can back good at the net.
Yeah.
There are a few points that he's definitely done, but not his definite. I hope that changes.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Pretty quick.
Pretty
Like when I
quick
said,
turnaround.
Maybe I should become a coach.
Or a bottle.
When I said coach, we saw Rishabh coaching.
Again, Rishabh, maybe you should be coaching.
I know. But it was a good
Does it
setup.
different.
He's trying to pull him in. He's getting the gap, but looks like it's not his way completely. If you see this corner, he moved him out and he had the gap there. I'm sure that Nikhil would have picked it up, but it would have been easy finish for Karunesh. But yeah, it's too long. We're talking 2 more shots.
Time for the time. Cycling, bring it in first. I think they closed the game out. 6-point lead at 11-5.
We can't say, but
Again,
it's definitely advantage Nandi. Nikhil hasn't looked like he's sweating too much. He's got this under control.
fairly in control.
Yeah. Karunesh made quite a few unforced errors this match. But I'm hoping he can change that, make this a bit more spicy encounter.
He looks a little paced, bro. Let's see if he does manage to take a comeback. I'd love it. It'd be a great comeback if he managed to do it.
Especially when we predicted this to be a close game.
Close game, yeah. It doesn't look too good right now, but we've seen comebacks from way worse, right? We've seen comebacks from 10-3 down, 12-3, seen it happen. So it's not out of the question.
We hope this timeout can be a momentum breaker. It's actually worked out pretty well for a lot of teams before, where they're taking timeout, the crucial time, and made a comeback from there. We have Nikit serving now. 11-5.
Wide swipe from Karunesh.
Nikit's taking it easy.
Wonderful backhand. Wonderful series of backhands.
And then Nikit making sure it doesn't get into the kitchen right after that.
Just avoided a football. The referee was taking a good look at it.
13-5. Easy running away, Nandi Chakras.
Looking at a storm.
Something that we did not predict in this one, I think.
Yeah, none of us thought. I mean, it was the scores looked really easy, but the match was not. As you've seen, I think 6 or 7 side changes. Then the score was
Ouch.
a great finish by Nikit.
Winning by 10 points. I think that was a massive storm.
There you go, Nandi charges up 2-1. But if you've seen the match on the last, I mean, if you've seen during the league stages, Nandi was up
Chargers
3-0.
look very hyped up right now.
In the league as well, the Chargers were up 3-0, and then All Stars ended up coming back 3-all and then winning. So let's hope that it doesn't. I mean, these would definitely be hoping that they don't repeat the same thing.